Hey everybody, Mike here once again. Thank you for tuning in. Today it's out with the old and in with the old. As you can see, I'm sitting inside my $1,700 Mercedes CL500. Very cheap. It does have some problems. Let me show you what's going on. We're going to replace the radio because this one has spots. There you see the problem right there. I have a couple of spots on this radio. And to get to that, all of this has to come out, and then we get to try another radio that I got from another car. I've already started the disassembly. What you have to do basically is take off the shifter handle, and then this piece right here will have to come out. For the shifter handle, it's very easy. Just turn this plastic piece kind of counterclockwise, and this will come out as one unit. Then you just put that away for the time being. Then I take my removal tool, kind of pop this up right here. This slides up. There's one little connector right there. So you unplug that, and then this goes away as well. You also have to do a couple of screws. We have a couple of T20 Torxes that go right here. I've already taken out the ashtray. So you take this out, a couple of screws right there on each side. Undo the connectors. There's just two of them, very self-explanatory right there. Then there's a couple of other T20s right here and then right there at the bottom. This is covered with ashes from cigarettes, you know, because we had a party girl that used to live in this car. You know, you saw the other video with the little toy thing that she had, and then the little medical marijuana thing that she had. Ha! Not judging, but anyway, this person also smoked, it looks like. So we took off the two T20s right there, and then this little piece right here kind of pops up. You have another T20, another T20 right there. Then you have to peel back the carpet on both sides, right here and right here. And there are two screws. You want to get the top screw, just a regular Phillips head screw, unscrew that one, and that loosens up this entire center console. You want to be very careful because these things will crack. This is wood and it is kind of fragile, you know, however many years, 13, 16, this has been here for 16 years. So what you want to do is start your car, put it in drive, put your foot on the brake, then you start peeling this up a little bit. You have to be very, very careful. You don't want to crack anything. The radio is attached to this right here, so you kind of pull this up right here, and look, everything comes off as one huge piece. Okay, let me stop the car, put it in park, and then we'll take this part off right here. There she be right there. This is the old unit. A couple of connectors you have to disconnect. There's one here that goes into the shifter right there, just a simple white, pull that out. Then we have to disconnect the fiber optics. That's very self-explanatory. Just push this button right here and the fiber optics go away. Then we have another connector here and here. On this one, all you have to do is push this tab and then slide this little gray tab back. That comes out. You know, it is much harder when you only have one hand. I've been watching these videos, but yeah, they speak the truth when they say it's hard with one hand. Okay, then a couple of connectors. We've got this one right here. Come on. What? Goodness gracious. There. Okay. There's a little tab you got to push in right there. There's probably something right here that you have to do. And I'm sorry about the radio. Okay, let's see what's going on with this one. This one's a big pain. Okay, also we have the antenna. That's easy to do. Antenna, and then we have, I think this is part of the navigation system right there. So let's see how that one comes out. And then we have another, I think that's an antenna for the navigation right here, this gray one. So this one will come out, hopefully. Ow. Okay, now one more. Let's see if I can kind of use this one just to kind of poke it. And, oh my gosh, come on. All right, let me get it out and then I'll show you what happened. Turns out you have to kind of manhandle this one right here. I just got this Torx screwdriver and kind of pushed. This came out. Then I have two connectors on the top, right here and right here. Push the tab in and that slides out. And look, you have one complete center console. And this radio is just the same as in the S-Class. And I just happened to find a couple at a junkyard. We are here at my work table. Yes, this is the other demonic car right there. So what I did, I went to LKQ and I found a 2003 S500 and I pulled this from that car, and then I found a 2003 S500 and I pulled this from that car. The way it works is if you have like a 2000 to 2003 car and you want to upgrade the stereo systems, you can only go up to a 2003, because in 2004 they changed from the command unit and it went to another kind of like an operating system, but it was a different type of system to use the radio. So if you have a 2001, 2002 with that little square radio, and I'll put a picture up here to kind of show you, and you want the bigger doubled in radio, you can do that. And on the S-Class there are some wires that have to be moved, and I'll make a video showing you that. But if I'm going from an 03 to an 03, it's the same kind of wiring. So all I have to do now is take out a couple of regular old screws right here, and then we're going to take this one or that one, that one, this one, this one, that one, this one. That one's cleaner, so we'll try that one first. Put it in here and see if it works. Hopefully we don't have to have a code. If we do, we get to go online and pay for a radio code. Back in the car now, and I've got her all buttoned up. I've had these all attached. I do have to do the all-important fiber optics, because if you don't do this, she ain't going to work. So let's put that back in, and then I'm going to say a little prayer, and we're going to hopefully hear some beautiful music and see a pixel-free picture. A picture. Okay, so here we go. Please no code, please no code, please no code, please no code. And Hail Mary, full of grace, Dominus Tobisco cookie, power. Let's see what happens. Oop, I can't let you hear that though, right? And look, we have a new radio. Ha! Look at that. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So, this little car's coming together. I'm sorry about the mess right there. I'm still working on that. We have a new radio that doesn't have any pixel problems. Love it. There you go. Short and sweet, to the point. Not always a long video and not always hilarious, but sometimes they are. I want to say thank you to everybody who is tuning in and subscribing. I got a new one from Estonia. Fancy. And Ireland. So guys, gals, thank you very much. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.